Hi there, fellow Steady Pacers, and welcome back to the MS Workouts channel. Today, we have something truly special in store for you, especially if you deal with lots of tightness in your ankles and calves due to foot drop or a similar condition. Yes, that's right. We're going to be diving into a few restorative movements that I want you to execute for recovery. A few weeks ago, we posted a foot drop exercise video that you should be executing 1 to 3 times per week right now. If you didn't get that video, then we have included a link for you, so check it out in the description box below or at the top right part of the screen. Now, before we officially get started, I'd like to give you a final reminder that you only have a few more days left to register for the free foot drop workshop class of October 2023. This is the last workshop that our team is going to be hosting this year, so go to www.msworkouts.com to learn more and save your spot in the workshop. You can also click the link below to sign up. Again, to be a part of this awesome opportunity, just go to www.msworkouts.com before Sunday, October 1st, 2023 to save your spot so that we can have you a part of that free Foot Drop Immersive workshop. Hope to see you there. Okay, everyone, let's start the active rest with the ankle roll. The first thing I'd like you to do is take a seat in a chair. You're going to bring the foot forward that you're going to be executing the active rest on, which in this example is my left foot. Notice I do have a shoe on. If you'd like to execute with your shoe or without the shoe, doesn't really matter. We're simply moving in this active rest movement. All right, let's go ahead and begin. You're going to begin by initiating movement outward with that ankle. Now, realize and understand that your range of motion is not going to look like mine. Some of us are going to have a limited range, some of us are going to have a larger range. The most important thing here is that you're simply getting movement into this ankle. Notice as we roll out, we're going slow. We roll in, simply take the range your body gives you and head back out. If you need to add hands down to the area to help stabilize the ankle so you can control the range a little bit better, please feel free to do so. There's no measurement in this active rest. We're simply getting a lateral movement, an internal movement to this ankle to drive blood flow back to the tissue to help in the recovery process. My suggestion is to execute anywhere from 10 to 20 of these. To rest, execute 10 to 20 more, and utilize this multiple times throughout the day in order to reduce the tightness and increase your recovery capacity. We're now going to take some time to execute the passive heel-toe rock active rest movement. I have a band that I'm going to utilize. You can have a towel, a bandana, a rope, you name it. Just something that's going to allow you to assist that foot through the range of motion. All right, we're going to begin by sliding the band and or towel underneath the foot. And we really and truly want it about the forefoot so that you can gain assistance through this range. Now, you are seated in a chair or some type of a seat. You're bringing the foot that we're going to focus on forward, band or towels under, and the way we're going to begin this active rest modality is by gaining flexion or lifting that toe. Do not hesitate to utilize that band to lift. You want to get as much flexion as possible and then head down with that foot. You're then going to go into the extension of the ankle in this heel-toe rock. You're going to point. You may not be able to point that toe all the way up, and if you can't, that's perfectly fine. You just want to get as much extension as possible. Go into the flexion, heading back down. And by executing this flexion and extension, you're driving blood flow down to the muscles that help reduce foot drop. They are driving blood flow down to the area that you worked, you exercised the day before to help the recovery process. A modification that you can very simply execute is by extending leg, pointing toe out, lifting with band or towel to gain flexion. This is a way to reduce the weight of the foot and make it a little bit easier for that anterior tibialis if needed. Now that you have these active rest modalities, you can truly maximize your results on a weekly basis. Make sure you're not only executing them on both sides, but you remember to do these in between your strength training sessions. If you don't have access to that strength training exercise that we gave you a few weeks ago for reducing foot drop, you can always access it at the top right of the video or in the description box below. Enjoy, let us know how it's going for you, and I'll see you next week. Hi, it's me, Jeff Gotte, and I'm excited to announce that we are now accepting registrants for the free Foot Drop Immersive Workshop class of October 2023. The free Foot Drop Immersive Workshop is a 5-day steady pace exercise plan where you're gonna receive daily workouts, movements, stretches, and much more that will help you reduce your foot drop and improve your ankle stability. In addition, you're also going to be invited to join live Q&As with me and the team, live workout classes, and so much more to help keep you motivated along the way. The Foot Drop Immersive Workshop takes place from Sunday, October 1st to Thursday, October 5th, 2023. So make sure that you sign up before then. This is the last time that we're going to be hosting a Foot Drop Immersive Workshop for the entire year. So make sure that you take advantage of this, sign up before Sunday, October 1st, so that you will not be left out. Do not feel like you cannot do this. Whether it's disability from MS, Parkinson's, fibromyalgia, you're recovering from a stroke or surgery, whatever it may be that has caused your foot drop, we are going to help you not only improve your strength, but we're going to decrease the effects of that foot drop, okay? Since 2017, our steady pace exercise technique has transformed the lives of thousands of people, and this workshop is your opportunity to experience it yourself. I'll see you soon. Our YouTube channel is a great place to start gaining strength, but if you want to get serious about reducing your symptoms and getting results, then you need to be on a weekly structured strength training program with other individuals just like you. And that's exactly what we offer at MS Workouts through our membership. Click the link in the video or below the video to learn how our membership can help you achieve your goals. And while you're on the website, make sure you sign up for the no-cost 7-day strength camp so you can experience how we can help you do the things that you love to do with more confidence. See you all next week.